Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and reveal to you how you can read a sprint report for completed or started sprints in your Jira site. So let us dive right into it. So let's assume you have been working on a Scrum board. Let me head over to that Scrum board here as an example project. And within your Scrum board, you have worked or been working on a couple of sprints, and each sprint consists of several steps like work items, such as tasks and so on and so forth. So to access a better overview and to gain access to reports of these sprints, all you need to do, guys, is switch from the board view to the backlog view here for better overview. And here you will see all sprints that have been already started or that are or that you can start or create. For example, by clicking to create sprint here, start sprint. So if you'd like to see the completed sprints, guys, what you need to do is enable the reports view here. And if you don't see it in the navigation bar, guys, you will need to enable it first in your project settings. To do that, click into these three dots next to your report name, click onto project settings. Here to the left, select features and scroll down till you get to the reports view here. Toggle it on here to the right to enable it. Return to your Scrum board. So let me do that really quickly. Head back to the reports view here and select one of these reports there. So let me go with, for instance, the first one here. And here you may simply read that report. You will see a graph here, for example, translated from these dates below. For example, you will see the given event listed here, like the sprint and when it has been or was started, when it was completed, and also the associated work item. And as you can see, the due date here, or sorry, the starting as well as the completion date was at the same day. So there's basically no visible movement or displayed here on that graph. But if you, for example, started that event a week ago and completed it just yesterday, you will see the evolution here in form of a graph, for example, for completed work, if the status is complete. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. You may also switch between your sprints here, just like that, and also switch from the estimation field story point to work item count. And there you go, and simply analyze your sprints below. Yeah, that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.